Today I thought I would show you how to make your own texture rollers. These are really simple. They are essentially just a toilet paper roll with some fun foam taped to it, but they make really great textures and are very easy to do. So a fun way to add some personality to your artwork. So let's get started. So here's my toilet paper roll. You can use plain fun foam like this, or you can actually get some that has some adhesive to it. I don't have any like that, or I would be using that because it's a lot easier. So I'm going to use my double-sided tape. So I'm going to make a really simple pattern, just using the tape, putting the tape on now because I find it easier depending on what I'm cutting. So I'm just going to maybe put a couple layers of tape here, a couple of rows, I mean. And then I'm going to cut out some shapes to put on that. So I think I'm just going to go with a little square or let's go with little rectangles. I'm going to make this even. And I'm going to actually just take off this tape a little bit at a time as we go, so that I can just make my shapes and put them right onto the roll. Okay, so I'm just going to cut some shapes here and stick them straight onto my toilet paper roll in whatever kind of pattern you like. Oh, my cat is coming to say hello. Hello, Tiki Tiki. Hey. Hey. Can I do this? Kind of making a pattern here. Something of a pattern. It's not a super specific pattern. Looks like I need a couple more, so I'm just going to make a couple more, trying to get them about the same length. So okay, I think that's about all I need. So that's good. Okay, so now to use this, you can do this any way you like, but I like to use my gel plate even for this because I love the gel plate and I kind of get 2 prints out of it. So what I like to do is I have this paint roller that, depending on the size of my toilet paper tube, I can either use with this tube that used to be a foam roller that I've taken the foam off of, or I can just put it right inside of the tube. But this one is kind of big, so it moves around a little too much. But if I put this on, I can put that right in there and that will probably be fine. So I'm going to roll out some paint. Nice even coat as always. And I'm gonna find a piece of paper or something to print on. I think maybe I will use my art journal because I have it right here. I'm gonna start, actually, I think I'm gonna use this green page. So essentially I just like roll that right through all of that paint and straight on the page. Oops, slid a little bit there, but that's totally okay. That's part of the handmade process of it. So there's my journal, and then I'm gonna take a print of this, just using a piece of paper, and we'll see what we get. That's the texture from that print. I love it. Simple, easy, fun. You can do it with things you probably already have around the house. So I'd love to see what you do. Thanks for watching. Bye.